Hi guys, this lesson we will discuss the Booleans. Booleans represent one of two values, true or false. Let's go. We can take the example, the Boolean, who take the function. Open the pie chart and we will take the an example, the Boolean, how to run, how to function the Boolean. Let's go. Print, print 9 equal to 10. That's true. I return the true. It's true. The 10 is greater, the 9 is less. If we can change this and we can take the result, the different, it's a false. Let's we can do this. Yes, we can take the other example like 10 print 10 is equal 10. Yes, we can take the results. True, 10 is equal to 10. Print a message based on whether the condition is true or false. Let's A equal 200, B equal 33. If B is greater than A, else print B is greater than the A. Let's take this example for which one result we can take. We can take the copy and paste. Take it. B is greater than. Yes, B is not greater than A. B is not greater than A. That's right. Because B is less than A. This condition will be true. This condition will be true. I will take your answer. Oh, God. Yes. Okay. We can put the variable print bool. Let's go. If we will take print bool, hello, let's take the true. If we can insert integer like this and also true, now we can take the other examples. Most value are true. Almost any value in every letter to true if it has some sort of content. Any string is true except empty string. Any number is true except 0. Any list, tuple, set, and dictionary are true except empty one. Like this. This is empty one. All of this false. All of this false. But this one is always true. If we can run this example, we can, let's take. I can run the bool. Let's print bool ABC. ABC. It's a true. It's a true. But I have to empty It's not a true, it's a false. It's a false. That is just, we have to explain this method. Some value are false if are empty. The, the tuple set and dictionary are true except empty ones. Thanks, guy. The next lesson we will learn